Hey my cookies! Today I'll be showing you how I make easy and super delicious Rotel dip. Let's cook. We're going to start by browning our meat. I'm using ground beef. You can use sausage if you like or a combination of both. I'm also adding in finely diced onion. This is optional. You don't have to do this, but I love that little flavor. So we're going to brown it, and once it's done, we can drain off that grease. Then I'm going to add in some taco seasoning. Use your favorite. Stir that around, and we're going to also pour in some water. The water is going to help the beef clump together really well, so go ahead and stir that around and allow it to continue to cook until that water evaporates. It'll be about 5 minutes. It won't take long. See, told you, that was quick. It's all done. Now let's put it all in a pan. Y'all, I completely forgot I was filming. That's why I literally just put everything in the pan. Okay, but I'll explain. I have a full 16-ounce block of Velveeta cheese cut in cubes. I also have some Monterey Jack cut up in cubes, some cream cheese cut up in cubes, 1 can of drained Rotel, some cream of mushroom soup. Don't worry, you won't taste it. It just helps it get really creamy and adds a nice little flavor. And also that ground beef, of course, some cilantro, and some green onion chopped up in there. Now, you can put this all in a crock pot, cook it on low for 2 hours and be good. Or you can throw it all in a pan like I did and bake it on 375 for about 25 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, this is what the dip is looking like. Look at that cheese. Oh God, you want to mix it all together really well. If the consistency is a little too thick for your liking, then go ahead and pour in a little bit of milk. Start with a half a cup first and then gradually add it as you go until the desired consistency is reached. But this right here, it works for me. No milk added. Now it's up to you how you want to top it or not top it at all. I just added some more green onions, some cilantro, and some diced Roma tomatoes. And we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Check the description box for the recipe. We're about to tear this up. So until next time, be blessed.